In this video, I'm going to answer the question of, do you use gears in an electric car? And I'm going to give you a bit of an insight into how it works. In case you're new here, I'm Jess Shanahan. I'm an automotive journalist and a petrolhead turned electric car owner, and I create videos on the future of mobility, road trips, slow travel, and everything that you want to know about electric cars in my EV FAQ section. If you want to see more of these EV explainer videos, then you can hit the card up here to go to the playlist. So in short, an EV is a lot like an automatic ICE car, that's internal combustion engine car. So you won't really notice that much difference between a normal automatic and your electric car. On most EVs, you have neutral, reverse, drive, and then an extra braking mode, which I will get to. So just like an automatic car, it's really simple. So when you want to get going, you take it out of neutral, you put it into drive, you put your foot on the accelerator, and it will automatically take off the electronic handbrake if you have one. Once you're going, you're all set. You don't need to do anything. There's no clutch to worry about. You just accelerate and brake as you normally would. If you come up to a junction or anything like that, all you need to do is put your foot on the brake. When you're ready to go again, just press the accelerator and off you go. When you are ready to come to a stop, just brake, come to a full standstill, put the car back into neutral, and you can put the parking brake on as well. The nice thing about this is that just like an automatic, things like hill starts, pulling away from lights, all of that kind of thing are super simple. There's no messing around with a clutch or gears. You can just press the accelerator pedal and off you go. The only thing that's slightly different is the braking mode. Now this is an additional drive mode, but it activates the regenerative braking that electric cars have to help you get back a few more miles. So while regen braking is working every time that you brake with the car, if you're in this special braking mode, as soon as you lift your foot off the accelerator, it will start to brake. You don't need to put your foot on the brake unless you want to brake more heavily. This is actually something that's great for urban driving and that kind of stop-start traffic. You do kind of learn it and you get to the point where you can drive a bit with just one foot, using the accelerator and then lifting off to brake. But obviously be safe, always cover that brake in case you need to emergency stop. But it's a really nice way and a really comfortable way to drive. And again, one of the things that I love about electric cars, might take some getting used to, but it's actually really simple. As a whole, electric cars are really easy to drive. It might feel a bit different at first, but after 1 or 2 short trips out, you'll be fine. It's like driving any other automatic car. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to find out more about electric cars, consider checking out the EV FAQ series. I'll see you in the next video.